Given the details of how the Nigerian government collected the 36.3 billion naira as intervention fund being donations during the COVID-19 lockdown, the civil rights activist said the organization was able to track only 9.1 million naira from the money the government said it has spent out of the 30 billion naira.
In all of this, one thing that we don't see is a proper coordination in the utilization of these resources and detailed expenditure both by government. So far, Follow the Money has tracked 96 billion naira for COVID-19, but at the state and the federal level. Some of our key challenges is the fact that there is lack of data on contracting information and the various beneficiaries of these resources.
The organization also frowned at the lack of transparency and accountability by most state governments and their inability to provide useful information even when it latched on the Freedom of Information Law to request for detailed information on the spending.
It's not enough that they give response. When they give response, they invited us to go and verify. It's called ground truthing. You said you upgraded a facility. You said you spent this, you bought this, we procured this. So we have volunteers in each of the 36 states. We send people, go and verify. The problem we face is that in their responses, some amounts were bogus, and the items were very little. For example, a huge amount of money for a training for one day or procuring face masks.
The non-governmental organization, however, says it will galvanize citizens to hold the federal government accountable for projects so far executed.
For us at Follow the Money, post the pandemic, we're going to undertake a massive social audit. We will deploy over 8,000 of our members across Nigeria to undertake the social audit to get feedback from citizens on how they benefited from government palliative or other intervention to cushion the effects of COVID-19 during the lockdown.
The town hall meeting brought together government representatives and corporate organizations directly involved in the COVID-19 donations to dialogue on strengthening accountability measures in Nigeria.